Taytay Bagong Palengke together with my scraps, my junkies. I'm gonna go now to the junk shop for these empty boxes will turn into money. Hold on, guys. Hi. Hold on. What you know better do? How I know? Right? Oh gosh. Even though it's some kind of a hard on carrying this empty boxes, but it's okay for as long as little by little my house will be cleared from all the scraps. Hi ate! How are you? Oo nga, sira yung sakyan ko eh. She's ate. So for how many kilos? Hi!
Hi Kaylee, hi! Nagbablog si Kuya.
Hi.
This is the junk shop. It's my day 3. Oh gosh, may umbrella. Hold on! Sira pa kasi sasakyan ko kaya ano? Ilan?
40.
8 lang?
Apo.
Dapat magkano sa akin? Dapat 10 piso. So it's 40 guys and girls, 40 pesos. Day 3. Kamusta? Pangatlong araw ko ngayon, di kita nakita nung kapon tsaka isang araw.
Oh, ito? Oh, sa akin? Hello, ay pangalan.
Bye for now guys and girls. 40 pesos. Not bad. So day 3. Thank you Lord for this wonderful blessing. Shout out to everyone of you. Bye for now.